University Press Audiobooks presents Climate: Causes and Effects of Climate Change, a Chelsea House title, written by Dana Desonie, Ph.D., narrated by Diana Dorman. This audio edition is based on the fourth edition of the book published by Chelsea House Publishers, an imprint of Infobase Publishing. Introduction. Earth is unique in the solar system for many reasons. Not only is it the only planet with abundant water, but it is the only one whose water exists in all three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Earth is the only planet with an abundance of life, or, as far as scientists know, with any life. Earth is also unique because of its climate. Mercury and Venus, both close to the Sun, are too hot. Mars and the outer planets, all far from the Sun, are too cold. Even the Moon, which is the same distance from the Sun as Earth, has an inhospitable climate because it has no atmosphere to insulate it. Earth, therefore, is sometimes called the Goldilocks planet, because its climate is, as the old story goes, not too hot and not too cold, but just right. Earth's climate is so hospitable because of the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. These gases allow sunlight through, but trap some of the heat that re-radiates from the planet's surface, helping to create a temperate climate that has allowed the proliferation of an enormous number and variety of living organisms. While Earth's climate is hospitable for life, it can vary tremendously from place to place, as a comparison of the temperature and precipitation patterns in the Arctic with those of a tropical rainforest will quickly reveal. Climate also varies through time. Throughout Earth's 4.55 billion-year history, its climate has varied enormously. During much of that time, conditions were hot and moist, but sometimes the air was frigid, with ice coating the polar regions and mountains. Even in the past millennium, average temperatures have been variable. For instance, during the medieval warm period, AD 1000 to AD 1300, they were relatively high, while during the Little Ice Age, AD 1550 to AD 1850, they were comparatively cold. Despite these two anomalies, average global temperatures have only varied within a range of 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit since the end of the Pleistocene ice ages, about 10,000 years ago, when human civilization began. Throughout Earth's history, temperatures have correlated with the levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. When the planet is warm, greenhouse gases are high. When the planet is cool, greenhouse gas levels are low. That Earth's climate is naturally variable is unquestionable, and it is certainly true that temperatures have generally risen since the end of the Pleistocene. But what now alarms climatologists is that global temperatures are rising more and at a higher rate than at any time in human history. Around 1990, global temperatures began to rise at a rate unseen in the past 2,000 years, and the warmest years of the past millennium have been in the past 2 decades. Climatologists almost universally agree that human activities are to blame for a large portion of the temperature gains. Activities such as burning fossil fuels or forests release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Rising greenhouse gas levels trap more of the planet's re-radiated heat and help to raise global temperatures. The escalating temperatures of the past few decades are referred to as global warming. When the potential for increased temperatures due to human activities was first discussed several decades ago, nearly all scientists were skeptical.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?